Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. I got another quick one for you today. Today we are opening the Scarlet Invited Shrouded Fable, the booster bundle. 6 booster packs, pretty quick and simple. No thrills about it, nothing special inside, no promos, hopefully just good hits. Let's get to cracking. I'll show you this real quick. The artwork here. There it is. Let's cut it open. Let's get going. It's opening. Here we go. Comes open. There's our 6 packs. More of the same artwork. 6 of them. I'm gonna open the Monkey Dory first because this is my favorite one in the set. Let's do it. Big hits. Big hits. We are inching closer to completing our master set. Here we go. Golbat, Axew, Sneasel, Frou-Fro, Crobat, Iron Moth, Janie's Secret Art. Here we are, Dusknoir, Dartrix, I don't know that one, Anna Ursaluna, Blood Moon Ursaluna, and our energy. All right, pack number 2. Let's do it. We're gonna get something good. I know it. We've gone too long without a good hit. We've had some hit, but I want a good hit. All right, here we go. Persian, Dust Cyclops, Roulette, another Axew. I'm not gonna mispronounce that. Sylveon, Binding Mochi. Come on, here we go. Genesect, Weevil, and a Cooperage. All right. No hit so far, no hit so far. Let's keep going. Got 4 more packs to make it happen. Still a bit of ways from completing our master set, but we're gonna do it. Let's get some good ones here. Cassiopeia. Here we go. Eevee. Roulette. Monkey Dory EX. Look at that. This one's got some great playability in certain decks. His oh no you don't ability. Love that. Let's go ahead and oh, and look at that. Hollow Energy. May not count as a hit, but we're excited for that. Let's leave that up real quick. Monkey Dory EX. I needed that one. I don't think we've pulled that one yet. Alright guys, 3 more packs. What cards are you looking for in your Shrouded Fable sets? Let me know in the comments below. What are you missing in your set? A lot of duplicates here. It's a small set. That's why we're going for this set first to try to master. Night Stretcher, another card I use frequently. Cryum and Zorox. Ends Zorox in the upcoming Journey Together set that's coming out. Or it's already out, actually. I'll be having my box sent to me here soon. But yeah, that's another high pull card or card that people want to pull. So let me know if you've already got yours. Let's continue. And are you looking forward to the Journey Together set, or are you waiting for the Destined Rivals? What are y'all spending y'all's money on, and where are you getting your cards at in this hard time? There we go. Eevee, Seadra, Krogrunk, Golbat, Colorless Tenacity, Genesect, Weevil, Dangerous Laser, our first ace spec here, guys. Let's look at that. Beautiful. Horsey, and another Dusknoir. Oh, look at that. We're even gonna master set. I didn't think about this, but this could also be part of the master set, all the foils there. All right, we got one more pack left to go. I am back. The dog decided to come pay me a visit. Always glad to have him around. There we go, last pack. Let's do it. Let's do it. Man, an ace pack. Actually, you know what? We gotta sleeve that. Gotta sleeve that. There we are. 2. Can we get another one? Let's get a big one here. Let's get that Persian. I want that Persian so bad. Last pack. Come on. Joltik. Drowsy. Horsey. Another Binding Mochi. Malamar. Another Power Glass. Alright, here we are. Colorless Tenacity. Zubat. Come on, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? A Tappable. Well, they can't all be winners, but hey, you know what? These two right here, I'm excited for those. Those are definitely gonna go in a deck that I'm gonna build. Hey, thank you so much for coming along. Another quick one, 6 quick packs in the booster. What are you looking for? Thanks for coming. Peace.